Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Yogesh Khande. Basically, I'm from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I'm B graduate in mechanical. I have recently completed the internship program, 45 days internship program, which is a job ready program in aviation. In that program, I learn more about the networking concepts, like basic networking concepts, the virtualization concept, Windows administration concepts, and the ITIL and all the things which is a job ready things to learn. I'm really happy to announce that I got an offer from Infosys in Pune. So now I'm very happy to join there. So I'm really thanks to all the teaching faculty working very hard in Evision. All the concepts they are learning, that only concepts where I faced in interviews. So this is very I felt it is easy to face the interviews and thanks to the all teacher faculties. So I'm especially thanks to the Mr. Ganesh sir and Priya ma'am. So I'm planning to join the cloud program in Evision. So yes, I'm ready to to shape my future in that way. So yeah, I highly recommend all of you to join the Vision to place in 45 days. Yeah, that is all. Thank you.